The East Falls Church study put forward a development plan that includes a decrease of 50 to 75% in parking for Metro commuters and no parking increase for the 600 commuters that are expected when the Silver Line is complete. Do you support the plan to increase the number of commuter cars on our streets?
Of course, the East Falls Church Metro area is rather close to my heart, given that that's precisely where I live. I'd have to answer that question by asking again a larger question, and that is, where has citizen input been concretely involved in any decision regarding development here in Falls Church and Arlington? I think one of the issues about development and about transportation is that we have not been, as a citizenry, as concrete as we need to be and as prescriptive as we need to be about what we want with our city, with our walkability, with our streets. And therefore, when we have these situations where we have these interactions with Arlington County and our own city, we're never satisfied, or it's difficult to be satisfied, because we constantly go back and forth between the developers and our own civic needs. And therefore, I think we just need to be more concrete about what we need in the future.